Okay, this is my invention. This is new technology using static electricity. This will eliminate propellers, motors, and any kind of moving parts for propulsion purposes. Using static electricity as a propulsion method, strictly electricity itself to propel a submarine, a boat, or any kind of water vehicle. All these rings you see on this sub inside, each ring, starting with the first one, produces static electricity. As it produces static electricity, it attracts the water molecule to the ring itself. And therefore, it'll attract it, and then it'll turn off. Then the other one next to it, next ring to it, will turn on, and will attract the water molecules, and therefore keep on going sequence. So as they flicker on and off, on and off, on and off, in a pattern from front to back, a high speed velocity, it'll attract the water molecule itself. The sub will move forward by attracting the water molecules with static electricity rings. Each ring will turn on and off in sequence like this. Boom, 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 in sequence. And that will accelerate the submarine at high velocity underneath the water. Because the entire hull of the submarine will become part of the water. So as the water molecule, for example, my eraser is a water molecule, pretending. Let's say this ring, it's turned on, so the water molecule will attract it, then it's turned off, then the next ring will turn on, so then it'll attract to this way, and then it'll turn on and off, and then it'll go up to this one, and therefore the submarine will go this direction. So it could go front, back, it doesn't matter. It could be a sequence, can be front to back or back to front, allowing the submarine going two directions. But I believe that using this technology, static electricity propulsion, where it attracts the water molecules to itself, and then turns on, and the back one turns on, and so on, will allow it to go a high speed. Now, I don't know how fast it's going to go, but if I had to guess, it's going to go pretty fast, because the whole hull will be the system of propulsion. Normally, they have a propeller, a little tiny propeller. That's it. That's the propulsion. But in this case, you got more surface all the way around the sub, more surface, and each surface has a ring around it underneath, producing static electricity on and off that will allow this sub to go extremely fast, because the entire skin of the sub will be itself the propulsion method. Instead of a little tiny propeller, the whole skin surface will be the propeller. But in this case, will be all strictly static electricity instead of any moving parts. This is a really advanced technology. I'm the inventor, and now the world knows about this from myself, and this will be becoming reality pretty soon. Forget about the propellers. This is new technology coming out. This is my invention, static electricity. The new propulsion for water vehicles. Thank you.